go.
Hasta México. Venemos después.
Live thread at FOMC. Good. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Wait, did I even go live? What's going on? What? Oh, there we go. It was glitched. There we go. What it do, guys? Whoa! You guys know how it goes. Bullish or bearish? Alright, I'm not reading chat. I forget how cooked you guys are at trading. Oh my jeez. Oh my jeez. First thing I see is bullish or bearish. Bro, I don't know. Damn. Damn. Hold on, guys. Let me get this up and then I'm locked in. Bro, just full port, whatever side you want. Just start guessing. Full port something. Anything, bro. Just full port. It doesn't matter. Anything will be okay. World, hold on. Mr. E, this dude is messed up. It was just a question. I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not. You're quaking? Bro, no way. Oh no. Out of Gatorade. Holy shit, the back of my head looks flat as freak. Bang. Let's go. FOMC. I'll change my screen here in a second. Have the chat up so I can see. Alright. Does this still work? Nice. Nice. 3 for 3. How come you don't go live that often? I go live every day with the syndicate, bro. I just don't go live in the regular premium anymore. Let's see. Oh, I need to pull the actual FOMC meeting up. D-scam. This is going to start in about 45 minutes, so we still got a little bit of time. Christmas rally. I'm really curious to see what's going to happen because we're in the middle of two very important levels, you know, so it's like there's two things that can happen, right? we go down. So this is after the fact. So it's like after today. All right, guys, we're starting to get serious. Like lock in. You know, it's like, but after today, you know, it's like obviously we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down. Like whatever, something's gonna happen today, right? Obviously, no. We all know this, right? Market's gonna move, which we can play to whichever side. But after today, you know, it's like if the market moves up, there's two things that can happen. We reject highs or we just continue going higher. Or we go lower and then we continue going higher, right? I definitely don't see us going any lower than where we're at right now. We're still at September's, or I mean, we're still way beyond September 17th lows. September 17th was when we first started dropping interest rates. And as you guys can see, this is where we started creating generational lows. So if you listened back in the day, 2 months ago, you know, it's like, or 3 months ago, however long ago it was, you know, it's like you would have made money, all right? Like you would know exactly what the market's doing. But if you didn't, you're still playing these whatever shit ass strategies, you know, it's like you're losing, you know, it's like, and that's your fault because you don't want to learn. But here we go, man. Share screen. Can you guys see my screen? Play corridos. Grass is green. Why is everyone so hostile, man? I'm assuming you guys. Wait, you guys can't hear? I'm assuming you guys can't hear. Minus 10K PNL. Oh my jeez. That's tough. Turn the mic up a little bit. Let me know if that's good. Stream is mint. Perfect. All right, let me pull up some music. Let me know if this is too loud. I've already answered the premium question, buddy. Damn. I said I'm not live trading in premium anymore. I said that a few months ago. Little too loud, but I live trade with the syndicate members only. We can hear, see the screen. Perfect. All right, it's time to lock in. Keep updating me. Let me know if the music gets too loud. Yeah, you guys don't have to pay for premium. You can cancel at any time. Ouch. All right. Did Kappa or Lucio ever get their refund? No, because when they tried to, what's it called? When you call your bank and you're like, hey, this is a scam, whatever, I just sent the bank a picture of them saying the hard R, the N word, and they declined it super fast. They're like, yeah, I mean, we can't defend this guy. So they're cooked. Ultra Deluxe Premium Superstar Syndicate Extreme. Oh my gosh. All right, we got 9 minutes. We got to look at volume. I hope nobody traded this earlier today because holy cow. I know you guys are going to probably sit there and be like, bro, we had some moves. Absolutely not, bro. Like, no way. Not even the last 2 days. I didn't trade the last 2 days. I haven't traded all week. So this is actually going to be my first trade today. We're going to be good. Let's see what the Jerome Powell. It's going to be a minute. Where's a good side to watch it live? I live trade every single day in Syndicate unless like weeks like today happen. or weeks like today. What weeks like this week happened? So it's like what's it called yeah, I know I'm joking, bro, but like fucking FOMC. So I'm not gonna trade Monday, Tuesday. Like price action has been pretty garbage. You know, it's like the 1 minute warriors are gonna defend the price action, bro. But I look for the big money. You know, it's like last September I told you guys. We're looking for the larger moves that play out. I'm not looking for these little baby time frames. That's the easy, you know, it's like anybody can scalp that. But it's like, bro. Finna put up the crib. All right, we're full porting. I don't know Spanish. Yo, why are you guys beefing in the... Bro, you guys are always beefing. Like, this is the reason I don't go live, because everyone's always bitching. Everyone's always complaining. Everyone's always fucking doing something. Everything but making money, bro. It's like, I wake up on a daily basis, open up the charts, make a couple $1,000s, and this is what I get in return. You know, it's like, it's always you guys fucking just crying. Like, crying, crying, crying. Like, let's just lock in and trade. Like, do you guys ever understand, like, yo, like, this is the market. We're all looking at the same thing. Like, it gets annoying, bro. Like, you guys wonder why, yo, why are we not live trading? Why, bro, like, come on. I'm trying to make money. I'm not trying to sit here and bullshit, you know? Change the music? Bro, I'm gonna get copyrighted, bro. Corridos. We're on YouTube, guys. If I was on Discord, I'd be able to play whatever music. No, but I'm like looking at the chat and it's just like, bro, it's just constant people freaking complain. Like, bro, I'd rather just stay off the internet and fucking, you know, just make money by myself. I don't have to do this. Welcome to the internet. That is true. No, I can definitely tell like who is like legit. Like a lot of people, I'm reading the chat, you know, it's like a lot of people are actually cool. And it's like, but dang. Yo, what are these guys saying, bro? Some of you guys are just funny as fuck. I can tell who's like rage baiting and stuff, but I can also tell like who's just like, bro, I shouldn't even, like, it's not worth my time, bro. Like, come on, man. Yeah, some of you are stuck with me for life. You do not do this out of kindness. All right. I have a solution for that. Bang. I'm in Syndicate, and after paying, he just says a link to his YouTube. That's fucking cap, bro. Why have you been ghost? Cause I've been with Syndicate. Take my shirt off, bro. What's going on? Just reading y'all's messages. Y'all need a stronger mindset and maturity. I agree. I just want Lalo to love me. Nah, but on a real note, last week, like I've been feeling like a pressure on my chest, dude. So it's like I literally thought that I was gonna have like a heart attack or some shit, you know? So it's like fucking high blood pressure, glucose low, like a bunch of other stuff, you know? And it's just like, man, it's like I've been spending a lot more energy focusing on my health and my peace than like just seeing a bunch of bullshit every single day. Like, you know, it's like I would open up Discord and immediately just be like what am I even doing, bro? It's like, besides like the Syndicate guys, you know, it's like those guys are actually like actively trying to learn, and I'll spend my time with those guys. But like, you know, it's like I make enough money to where I'm chilling, and I'm not I don't care to stress about like all the bullshit. Like I genuinely was concerned about my health, and I was like, you know, it's like let me just lock in, because it gets pretty scary, guys. It gets pretty scary, especially now that I'm getting. Yeah, no, I stopped doing a lot of stuff, bro. Those Red Bulls were definitely freaking taking a toll, man. Yeah, those energy drinks are bad. Stay away from energy drinks, guys. But yeah, turns out it was just heartburn. So I was like, I'm good, I'm fine. You know, it's like I'm taking medicine, whatever. But I'm 23, bro. But yeah, you know, it's like everything that I've ever dreamt about, everything that I've ever worked towards, like within seconds was just like, I was just like, man, none of that shit mattered at that point. All right, let's lock in. It's about to be 1 p.m., so volume's about to kick in. We're in the middle of a range, so this is going to be really hard to navigate, but let's see what's going on. I'll just mark high of day here. A lot of volume. Perfect. And then I'll mark some lows. We do have a huge gap down here. I do think, you know, it's like this would be a potential level to target. And then we have all-time highs, obviously, and then previous highs. I do believe we can make a move of that magnitude. We'll just have to wait and see what price does. Rates decreased to 3.75. Yep. I think we all knew that we're going to drop a quarter basis points. For those that want to learn how to find, just look up FOMC statement. Meeting, the Fed, meeting calendars and information. Scroll down, look for December. Statement's already out. Just click on the PDF. You can go through and read through, and it'll tell you pretty much everything that Powell's going to speak about. So the Board of Governors have voted unanimously to lower the interest rate paid on reserve balances 3.65%, which is extremely good. So yeah, we dropped a quarter percentage, which is awesome. You know, that's pretty bullish. Breaking high a day here. 1 minute candle. So far, no trades taken. I'm still waiting. But that is a way for, I'm sure everybody knows that by now. So it's a way to see what's going to happen before it even does happen. Let's watch QQQ. Holy shit, what is going on? Can I turn music off for now or lower? I think it's the lowest thing could go. Let me do this. That's not the right one. Let me know if that's better. Sell BTC. What am I trading? I will be trading SPX. Yeah. What am I reading, bro? Oh my jeez. Overall, am I bullish? I'm still waiting. Price is kind of just sitting sideways. I'm not gonna just jump ahead. Harambe trades and flip flops. All right. I will only be trading SPX. So far, nothing's really going on. 105. The actual move happens at 130, so. $1:30 Central Time. Yeah, right now we're just chilling. Nothing really going on. So we can wait. Last time we hit a high and reversed and we were able to take a trade before 1:30. Volume kicked in and kind of let our trade play out. But right now we are sitting inside a 1 minute candle, so. I would still recommend playing low risk today too. Same, I haven't traded either. Yeah, so just because the price is gonna move very fast doesn't mean that you full port and like try to make as much money. I know that's the joke. Everybody laughs about that, but You know, it's like you still want to play low risk. It's like same thing as always. Low risk, price is going to move very quickly, so you're going to make returns very fast. So it's like on a normal day, if I were to trade with $10,000, make 10%, you know, it's like I'd make $1,000, you know, on average, right? I could play with $1,000 on SPX and make that same $1,000 in the same amount of time because of how fast price is moving, you know. So something to keep in mind. Don't go over leverage and blow your account. And I hope nobody traded before FOMC. Yeah, keep the same trading principles. I want to see what price does leading up to 130. If price is like at this high, I'll probably just short it. You know, it's like just sell off level, bang, and see what happens. So far right now, there is decent volume, don't get me wrong, but it's still sitting sideways relative to the volume. Call, so do you gang? Has anybody taken a trade yet? QQQ. You think we could target the sell-off and then play downside as well? I will only be taking one trade today. And it really just depends. Like I said, everything's been in a range. You know, it's like we're in the middle of two very important levels. You know, previous highs, and then you have this level that was broken previously. But since then, you know, it's like prices just hasn't been good. It's just been moving. December price action has been so bad, you know, so it's like really hard to trade this. It's, you know, it's like sometimes you get good price action, sometimes you don't. You know, it's like you'll have days where prices just moving, and then you'll have days where it's just sitting sideways, and there's nothing you can do about that. You know, it's like I can't just wake up and make the market do it. I wish I could. You know, it's like, but unfortunately not. Let's see what's going on here. SPX. It's like it's slowing down. Buyers are slowing down. We say that, but it is FOMC, and it's like at any point this thing could just freaking do whatever it wants. What are other stocks looking like? PLTR, dude. Holy shoot. PLTR is actually very good long term. It's continuously breaking previous highs, and it's just going to target this gap up here. I'm going to put my World Cup ticket money today in this. Holy. You're going to be able to buy 10 tickets. So gamble. Can I can full board. I got 50-50. Yeah, 130, we're gonna see some crazy candles. Oh. Oh, that is crazy. Still nothing. Come on, come on. Not gonna go heavy. Yeah, 1:30 p.m. Central Time, you'll see candles start going crazy. Yeah, SPY and SPX are the same thing. So if you can't get SPX, you can grab SPY. Oh. SPY going dump. That's all the terms y'all are talking about. I'm in no trades right now. What is this music I'm listening to? We still have like 15 minutes till the actual, whatever. Am I gonna play 0DT? Yes. 17 minutes. haven't entered anything yet. Mercy, what you doing, Mercy? What's the most I've ever put into 0 DTE? 50,000. Oh, did my camera die? Bro, that's so whack. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I don't know what this music is. It's kind of buns. It's just copyright-free music. Well, I'm gonna have to remove my camera. Unfortunately, it's dead, but it sucks. All right, let's lock in, guys. I'm locking in. Oh, it's time to make some money. Sure. Yeah, definitely don't full port. I wouldn't trade that on the SPY 5-minute. Actually, nah, I don't like that. Man, dude, the price action this last week has been kind of dog, man. It's so bad. I mean, even since December started, it's just been dog. I, price is slowing down here right now, but 10 minutes, everything's gonna start kicking up pretty quick. Is the music still loud or no? Calls or puts? We'll find out soon. Can't hear the music? What? Have I had the banks call me and ask where I got all this money from yet? Well, that's funny, dude, because whenever I was buying my house in 2024, July, what's it called? I had to show statements, right? So it's like they were asking me where the money was coming from. And so like I sent them my 1099s, whatever, from the last 2 years from trading from 2023 and 2024. And then, you know, they're like, okay, we got this, but it's like, how are you making your money? So it's like I sent them my Robinhood, but I didn't send them like my trading, whatever, my stock options trades. I only sent them like my, what's it called? Like my portfolio amount, right? And so they're like, okay, whatever. I know, like they knew I had the money, like I could buy 2 years of taxes or whatever. I could buy the house, right? Well, when I sent them my options chains, that's when they were like, oh shit, like you actually do make money. I think in July, what was it, July 1st? Can't remember if it was like early June or early July, and then I bought my house August, or if I bought it in July. I think it was definitely July. So like June 1st, I started the process of buying my house. and then my account was at 10,000, right? Because at the time I was trading with $10,000, and then by the end of June, my account was at like $46,000, and they were confused because I was only showing them my portfolio amount and I wasn't showing them where the trades were. And whenever I showed them the trades, that's when they're like, "Oh crap!" Like they're asking me to learn how to trade. What interest rate did I lock in? It was really high, bro. It was like 6%, but I ended up fucking just cashing out, like paying off my house. Yeah, 2024 was a big year for me. I'll tell you what though, I regret buying the house. Like I wish I was still just like all over the place. Cuz when you're young, like I didn't realize that I wish I would have just financed. When was your first million year? 2024, bro. Am I still in DFW? Yeah. But I didn't like I bought my house at 21. Like I had just turned 21, but I didn't realize how young I was. You know, it's like I was 21 buying a house, and I was like, "Oh shit," you know, it's like I felt old, I felt mature. But it's like now that I'm getting a little bit older, I'm like, dude, like 2021 is like it's stupid young, and I'm still really young, you know. So it's like it's kind of crazy, and I wish I was still like all over the place, just bouncing around. I'm in DFW, but yeah, I'm in Fort Worth. I took 3 consecutive transfers from of 5K from Weevil to my bank, and they froze my account for 2 days. What? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, my mindset at the time was like, dude, I'm making money. I'd rather be like paying for something that I own versus something that like I'm just renting. But there's nothing wrong with renting, you know. It's like if you're making a decent amount of money, it 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 varies per person. It's like it was opportunity cost for me. I felt like I could be all over the place still. All right, I'm placing calls here. Why is my phone so slow? SPX, I'm targeting 6,900 for the memes. 6,900 calls. And I'm gonna buy 10 contracts. Obviously, if it fails, then we just go the opposite way. $6,900 calls. Well, the news is bullish, but you know, it's like that's long term. For the day trade, it doesn't necessarily mean that price is just going to continue going higher. The reason I'm trading calls is play SPY, bro. Just play SPY if you can't buy SPX. Uh, but the reason is because we're breaking highs with displacements. You know, it's like this is a very simple confluence here. So it's like your trade would be here. But the risk to reward is so good that it's like, you know, it's like even if I lose, you know, I'm willing to lose 100% of my trade, right? That's how much you should be risking today. You know, it's like whatever your normal risk is, it's like risk 100% of that, your regular loss. But it's like if it fails, then I just play the downside. You know, it's like I have plenty of room. You know, it's like I'll lose 50%, whatever it is. Cool, I don't care. Regular loss. That should be your mindset in these trades right now. Because, you know, it's like I said, even though the news is bullish, you know, it's like dropping interest rates is always going to be bullish. But price could always do what it wants. You know, it's like let's look at SPY. How far we got? 3 minutes to whatever. SPY last September, it was bullish news, But we ended up rejecting highs and going lower and then coming back up, right? So it's like, yeah, you're going to have a lot of movement, but doesn't necessarily mean that it's just going to do what you expect it to do. You playing Powell's speech? Yeah. Powell's about to start speaking soon. He starts speaking at 1:30, and then after that, he's kind of just chilling. Come on, Powell. I want to keep an eye on QQQ as well. You know, if this fails, I'm targeting this gap down here because I've been waiting for price to retrace to this area forever, and it's been kind of just consolidating, so that would be a really good level to target. I'm not gonna lie. But we shall see. We got 2 minutes. A minute and 19 seconds. I'm also not even looking at my position, guys. Like, I'm not really worried about sizing here. Let me pull up Powell. He's gonna start speaking soon. Wait, where's the music at? I'm gonna turn the music off, guys. You're down 3K? Holy shoot. You're down 3,000? That's more than me, bro. What the heck is this? Oh. I was about to say, what is that? Let's see what Powell does to the market. Guys, I'm up 1%. Holy shit. Oh, it looks like he's about to start speaking soon. Let's go, Powell. Pump the fuck out of this shit. Last FOMC you did 15,000. Holy shit. Well, you have proper risks, it seems like. So. Oh, here he is. The guy, the man. Predictions on the first word?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. Although important federal government data for the past couple of months have yet to be released, available public and private sector data suggests that the outlook for employment and inflation has not changed as much since our meeting in October.
Someone said my hands are
Conditions
sweaty.
in the labor market appear to be gradually cooling, and inflation remains somewhat elevated.
Oh, my eyes are burning.
In support of our goals, in light of the balance of risks to employment and inflation,
dude, there's
today,
40,000
the
people
Federal
watching
Market
that stream.
Committee decided to lower our policy interest rate by 1/4 percentage point. As a separate matter, we also decided to initiate purchases of shorter-term Treasury securities solely for the purpose of maintaining an ample supply of reserves over time, thus supporting effective control of our policy rate. I will have more to say about monetary policy and its implementation.
If you guys are
after
in
briefly
comfortable
reviewing
profit, make
economic
sure you take
developments.
it.
Although some key government data have yet to be released, available indicators suggest that economic activity has been expanding at a moderate pace. Consumer spending appears to have remained solid, and business fixed investment has continued to expand. In contrast, activity in the housing sector remains weak. The temporary shutdown of the federal government has likely weighed on economic activity in the current quarter.
I'm up
These
30%.
effects should be mostly offset by higher growth next quarter, reflecting the reopening. In our summary of economic projections, the median participant projects that real GDP will rise 1.7% this year.
Wow.
And 2.3% next year.
32%.
Somewhat stronger than projected in September.
Make sure you guys take profits. This thing can just flip.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name
ads?
on it, just
You
by
serious
thinking
right
about
now?
it. Meet Base 44.
What is
People's
this?
Perceptions of job availability and firms' perceptions of hiring difficulty continue to decline.
How are we looking, chat? How are we
Official
looking,
report
chat?
on the labor market for
45%
September,
here,
the most recent release,
50%.
showed that the
I
unemployment
made a
rate
quick
continued to edge
Bansky,
up, reaching
just like that.
4.4%, and that job gains had slowed significantly since earlier in the year. A good part of the slowing likely reflects a decline in the growth of the labor force due to lower immigration and labor force participation.
Yeah, brother, I have
Though
YouTube.
labor demand has clearly softened as well.
In and out, bang, 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 just like that. Bang, bang, bang.
Softer
TP
labor
one hit,
market.
TP one hit. Come on, come on,
Downside
come on.
risks to employment
Everybody
appear to
blow
have
on their
risen
screen
in
right
recent
now.
months.
Everybody
In our
blow on their
S&P,
screen right
the median
now.
projection of the unemployment rate is 4.5% at the end of this year, and edges
Keep
down
blowing on their
thereafter.
screen.
Inflation has eased significantly from its highs in mid-2022, but remains somewhat elevated relative to
Let's
our
go,
2%
let's go, let's go,
long-run
let's go.
goal.
Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. We're
Very
still
little
going,
data
holy
on
shit.
inflation have been
Give me
released since
6,900. Give me
October.
69, 80%, 100%.
Total PCE
Oh
prices
my
rose
gosh.
2.8%
Oh my
over the 12
gosh.
months ending in September.
All right, I'm out. I'm
And
out. I'm out.
excluding
I'm
the
out. I don't care. 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 I'm out. 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 I'm out.
These
I'm out.
readings are higher than
I'm out.
earlier in the year as inflation for
Bang.
goods has picked up, reflecting the effects
I'm
of
out.
tariffs.
Guys, I'm out, guys.
In contrast,
I'm out.
disinflation appears to be
100%.
continuing for services.
100% TP one hit. Just like that, we're
Near-term measures of
done.
Inflation
I'm out.
expectations have declined from their peaks
go.
earlier in the year.
That's
as
what we
reflected
do.
in both market
That's
and
what we
survey
do. Come
data.
on, guys. We're three for three, bro.
Most measures
We're
of
3 for
longer-term
fucking 3. Come on.
expectations remain consistent with our 2%
I'm done.
inflation goal.
I'm sorry, Mark. I didn't mean to scare you.
The median projection in the
go.
S&P for total PCE inflation is
Were you actually
2.9%
pool
this
ported?
year
Oh
and
my gosh, no
2.4%
wonder he was
next year,
sweating, bro.
a bit lower than
Up
the median
2,600?
projection in September. Thereafter, the median.
I'm gonna send my P&L in all the chats, decrypt chats.
Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote
you're,
maximum employment and stable prices
There we go.
for the American
Sent
people.
mine.
At today's meeting, the committee decided to lower
go.
the target range for the federal funds rate
100% on
by a
that
quarter
trade.
percentage point to 3.5
Holy
to
shit! If
3.75%.
this hits 6,900, like someone that's
In the
holding
near
is gonna
term,
get paid.
risks to
But
inflation
I,
are tilted to the upside,
unfortunately,
and
am not a
to
bag
employment
holder.
to
I
the
take my
downside.
profits.
A challenging
I am pretty
situation.
much done for the day.
There
Let's
is
go,
no
guys.
risk-free path
Syndicate
for
guys, I'm gonna
policy
see
as
you
we
guys in the
navigate this
fucking.
tension between our
Oh my
economic
gosh,
and
dude, this thing
inflation
is
goals.
pumping, bro.
A reasonable
Holy
base case
shoot.
is that the effects of tariffs on inflation
Holy
are relatively
shit.
short-lived.
Guys, this shit is
Effectively a
going
one-time
crazy.
shift
Make
to
sure
the
you guys are
downside.
taking profits, guys.
Our
Please
obligation
make
is
sure
to
you
make
take
sure that
profits.
one-time
It'd be
increase in
so
the tax bill
sad
does not become
if I saw
an ongoing
anybody
inflation
not
problem.
take profits. Please,
But
please,
with
please,
downside
please
risks to
take
employment
profits.
having risen in
Please.
recent months,
Oh my
the balance
gosh,
of
guys, I'm
risks has
done. I'm
shifted.
out. I'm out. I'm
Our
out.
framework
I am
calls for
done.
us to take a
100% on these
balanced approach in promoting
contracts. I don't know
both
what they're
sides
at
of
now.
our
It'll probably
dual
get higher, but yo.
Accordingly, we
Let's
judged it
go.
appropriate at this meeting to lower our policy rate.
When
by
I
a
say,
quarter
do you
percentage
target
point.
69? Yeah, I bought 6,900
With
cons.
today's
Normally, I
decision, we
don't
have lowered our
grab
policy rate
like my
0.75
target,
percentage
but
point
because it's
over our
FOMC, I
last
expected price to
3
go crazy. But
meetings.
yeah, look,
This
price
further
could turn around on you
normalization
so
of our policy
fast. It was going
stance
our way,
should
easy
help
minion.
stabilize the
For all
labor
the syndicate
market
guys, you know
while
exactly
allowing
what this
inflation
was.
to
Who was it
resume
that
its
sent it
downward
earlier,
trend
dude?
toward
Shout out to you
2%
because you know
once the
exactly what
effects
you're
of
doing.
tariffs have
But yeah,
passed through.
guys, I'm done. I'm out.
Adjustments to our
I'm
policy
finished.
stance since
I
September
finished. All over the
bring it
screen,
within a
guys.
range of
Everywhere,
plausible-
like
plausible
everywhere,
estimates of
guys. I
neutral
gotta
and
clean
leave
up
us
now.
well-positioned
All right.
to
You
determine
guys
the
take
extent
care,
and
guys.
timing of
Syndicate, I'll
additional
see you guys at
adjustments
6
to our
p.m. I'm
policy
out.
rate
Deuces.
based on
Take
the
care, guys.
incoming data